Hello guys, so today in this video I will show how you can host your website free of cost for lifetime. So if you have not subscribed the channel till now, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification of this kind of videos. So let's start the video. So first of all, open your any browser and there search GitHub. Once you will search GitHub, you will get the first link, GitHub, https github.com. So click on that. Once you will click on that, it will show a sign up screen. As you have not created your account, so you need to sign up. As I have created my account, I have already signed up. So once you signed up and log in successfully, then you have to create the repository. How to create the repository? For creating the repository, you have to click here. You can see a new is written here, and another one thing is that you can see a plus icon is here. You can click it here and you can click new repository. So in this manner you can create a new repository. So you have to give a name to that repository, to your website. Which files you will host, you must contain a name. Okay, so I will host now a portfolio site, so for that reason I will give a name like it is a demo. So for that reason I am writing demo portfolio. Okay, so you can give any kind of name which you need to give to your repository, and then you have to click it private, as it will be safe and not visible to any others in the GitHub. So you have to keep it private, then click on create repository. Once you will click on create repository, your repository is created. Once your repository is created, you need to click here. You can see it is written uploading an existing file. Click on it. Once you will click on that, it will redirect you here, and from here you can see it is written drag files here. So click on choose your files. Once you will click on choose your file, then you need to choose your website file where it is in your PC. So let me select my files. So it is inside my this one. So let me need to host this two number of files. Then you have to select all and drag and drop inside this rectangular box. Then you have to close this one, and the file will be uploaded depending upon your internet speed. If your internet speed is high, then it will upload very fast. If your internet speed is slow, then it will upload slowly. Okay, once the file are uploaded, then click on here you can write any kind of commit. Right now I'm writing version 1.0, as it is the first version. Right now I'm committing, so I'm writing version 1.0. You can write any kind of commit here, then click on commit changes. Once you will click on commit changes, all your files are now available on GitHub. So you can see our files are now in GitHub. So we need to link our GitHub with Netlify. So what is Netlify? Netlify is a website which gives us free hosting domain, but that domain is provided by Netlify. If you have your custom domain, you can use that. But Netlify also provides you free domain and free SSL. Okay, so you have to search Netlify and click here. You can see netlify.com, the first link. Click on it. Once you will click it, it will ask you for sign up. As I already have here account, so I will log in, but you need to click on sign up and create your account. Very simple step. Just you need to fill your email address and mobile number, everything, and it will give a verification email to your email ID, and you need to just means approve there. That's it, your work, and you will be logged in. So I'm logging in. So once you will click on login, or you will create account, and after that you will log in, the screen will show like this. So here you can see it will show like this. The before the you can see these are the site, these are the previous site which I have means which I have built it here, but in your case it will be zero, means no site will be available here. So what you need to do is to click it here, new site from Git. So just click it there, and you know all your files are now available in what? GitHub. Here is GitHub, so you need to click on GitHub. So it will ask for authorization, and it can ask the password of your GitHub. It can ask the password. as I have already given my password, so it doesn't ask me. But in your case, it will first time it will ask you the password of GitHub, means this password of this GitHub. While creating your account, you have given a password. That password it needs. Once that is completed, so you need to search the repository name. Here you can see our repository name is demo portfolio. So here we have to search that one, demo portfolio. Let me search demo port so that it will come. No need of writing folio, only write demo. You can see demo portfolio is here. So once you have to select that repository name, means which you have uploaded here, that repository name, and then click on deploy the site. Once you will click on that deploy site, your site will be deployed. You can see it will take site deploy in progress, it will show first, and once it is published here, then you can see it will show a link here, and when you will click on the link, you can see the means your site will be activated. So there are two steps. You can change the name, as this URL is very words, you can see you can change. Click on the site setting. Once you will click on the site setting, just scroll down little bit. Here you can see change site name, click it here. Then you can write any name, like you can give any kind, as it is Abhishek, so I'm writing Abhishek resume. Just I'm giving a random resume. Okay, so you can see that is now our new URL, as I have changed the name. You can see Abhishek resume. Okay, so I have changed the URL. Similarly, you can change it if you need any kind of custom domain. That video I will upload later, so please subscribe the channel so you will not miss any kind of updates in your coding lives. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for